Winterizing. Whether you're part-time or full-time, winterizing your RV is very important to do when the cold weather comes around. Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro, and today I'm going to give you a couple tips and things to do and look out for when you go to winterize your RV. The first thing you should do when you're preparing to winterize your RV is drain and protect your water system. That includes draining out your freshwater tank, the water heater, and all your water lines. Additionally, you can take an air compressor and blow out all your water lines to get any remaining water out so it doesn't freeze up over the winter. And after you do that, you can start filling things up with your antifreeze, like the one we have here. The other thing you might want to do is empty and clean out your waste tanks. Your black and gray water tanks, they still have a lot of liquid in them, so when winter comes around they can freeze and that can cause damage to your water tanks. You definitely don't want to come back during the spring or summer and find out all that had cracked open and thawed out on you. That'd be pretty nasty. Another thing you want to do is protect your batteries. So if you're storing your RV for the winter, you'll want to disconnect and remove your batteries, and you want to charge them and check them regularly to make sure your batteries are still nice and healthy. That way you don't come back to dead and drained batteries when time comes to take your RV out of storage and get back on the road. Another thing you want to do when you're preparing to winterize your RV is take the opportunity to clean things up using cleaners and microfiber cloth like the ones we have here. And that's just general upkeep, wiping down the counters, sweeping things up, vacuuming, wiping off the windows, all that sort of stuff. You're already trying to take care of your RV, so why not take the extra time to clean it up as well? That way when you come back after the winter, take it out of storage, it's already nice and clean for you. If you're going to store your RV over the winter, it's a good idea to make sure that you cover or shelter your RV as best you can. What we have here is a cover for the trailer tongue jack. You can also get covers for your air conditioner as well. Either way, keeping your RV covered will help prevent damage and dust and dirt and whatnot building up on it through the winter. One more thing you'll want to check up on when you're preparing to winterize your RV or in the process of winterizing your RV is checking your propane system. You'll want to make sure that your propane tank valves are closed off, and you'll want to check your propane lines for any leaks or any damage before you store it. You definitely don't want to come back to your RV in the spring and smell a whole bunch of propane, or just come back to no propane because it all leaked out. So these are just a few sort of general tips to think about when you're going to winterize your RV or trailer. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and if you want to see more tips, how-tos, and tricks and other great information and products that we offer here at RecPro, remember to slap the subscribe button as well. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.